So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to insert a footer here in Google Docs. So it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top left, press Insert, scroll down to Page Elements, and then go down right here to where it says Footer. Once you're here, it'll bring you to the bottom of the page where you can just go ahead and type in Footer Example, and you can go ahead here and change the options of it as well. So if you want to change the footer format, you can go ahead and do this as well. If all looks good to you, press apply and just click out of it so that if you were to scroll down right here, your footer's here. If you want to get back into it, just double tap, do what you got it to. You can just edit it to footer. Once again, exit out of there, and this time your footer is now inserted. So that's how you guys can insert a footer here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.